Master Ferguson GC 1705. I'll do a cold start. It's about 27, 28 degrees in South Georgia. It's snowing. Let's hit the blood thugs for a few minutes. I'll do another cycle. And let's see what she do. She ain't quite want it. We'll try it one more again. There we go. He warmed up now. I'm about to go push up the snow in front of it. It'll be a big ass snowman. It's been drinking. Y'all give me a like and subscribe. Alright, have a good night.